G'day everyone, Alex here from Paperform, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Paperform with your Zendesk so that you can automatically create support tickets once your form has received a new submission. So let's take a look. All right, here I've created a simple contact form. It'll prompt my submitter to select a help category, provide some minor details, and write a short message. Now, I want to connect this form to my Zendesk account, so that each time my form receives a new submission, a support ticket is automatically generated within my Zendesk and my customer support team can handle it accordingly. So let's jump into it. From your form editor, navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. Then underneath Direct Integrations, select Zendesk and then select Create a Ticket. You'll then be directed to the integration setup. You'll also be asked to connect your Zendesk account. So hit the Add Account button. You're then prompted to insert your Zendesk subdomain. To collect this, head to your Zendesk account and in the address bar of your browser, anything before the period zendesk.com is the subdomain of your account. So for me, it is myzendesk3756. Then hit connect and boom, you've successfully connected your Zendesk account. Now it's time to configure the integration. You'll notice a list of fields, and these fields correlate with those of the Zendesk ticket. It's time to populate them. Start with the email field. Now, while you can manually input an email here, we can actually use the responses of our submission and pipe them into the field. Select the icon on the right-hand side of the field to reveal a list of options. Now here, select the email question of your form from that list to dynamically display the submitter's response to that question. Easy enough, right? Do the same with the name field. For the subject field, I will pipe in the submitter's response to my question titled, "How can we help today?" And for the description field, I'll select the message question. Now select the type of ticket and the priority of ticket. We're almost finished already. You also have the ability to enable logic rules, much like with visibility of elements. You can configure direct integrations to only trigger under certain conditions. Perhaps you only want a support ticket to be generated if the submitter responds to your form in a particular way. Now, let's take a look at a quick example. I only want a Zendesk support ticket to be created if the submitter responds to my question, "How can we help you today?" with tech support. If a submitter responds to this question with either of the other options, then we know this integration won't trigger. I will quickly remove that. And once you've finished configuring the action or the integration, it's time to run a test. However, ensure that you've run a test submission of the form first. This is so Paperform can test the connection between Paperform and Zendesk with real data. Once you're ready, select Send Test, and boom, there we have it, a success. So if you jump onto your Zendesk account, you will see there that a support ticket has been successfully created. Easy, right? All that's left to do is select Finish Setup. Now, form submissions will automatically generate Zendesk support tickets. Now you might notice if you scroll down that you can see your integration is active or live. You can turn this off at any time by toggling this here. And if you select the coggle icon, you can look at the history of the integration, duplicate and delete it, as well as edit it. Well, that's it. I hope it's been a helpful video. And if it has, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for other helpful videos on all things Paperform. Good luck and have fun creating.